February 12, 2014, current time 11:51 GMT. Jay Meisler with the daily Forex trading outlook on GVI Forex on global-view.com. I'm not sure what to look at to start, but let's start with cable, which firmed after the BOE, Bank of England, quarterly inflation report. If you look at a daily chart, the only number that matters here is this 2014 high at 166.68. You can see here really we've been in a range of 162 to 166.68. So although we are moving higher, only a break of this level will be significant. In the meanwhile, 165 is going to set the tone, and the main focus really is probably on right now on sterling euro, which has fallen sharply, with sterling higher and the euro down, and the euro is down against all currencies. So now the euro is now the focus. After Core's comments about negative interest rates, I'll say one quick thing. Yesterday, if you watched my video, I said it's only a matter of time before the market starts to refocus on the ECB meeting in March, where they have revised forecast, and you'll start seeing rate speculation build again. I didn't think it was going to happen in one day, but it's back on the table. Although negative interest rates still seem like the longer shot bet. Looking at a chart, we've been straddling this this downtrend line. We broke above it yesterday. We're back below it now. There's no Monday effect, says Monday ranges have been broken. A word about the euro dollar. Everybody's talking about ranges, whether it's 134 to 138, 134.50 to 137.50, 135 to 137. I mentioned those ranges, 135, 137 yesterday. What they all have in common is 136 is the midpoint, and that is considered neutrality. So move back to 136 is not surprising after it didn't reach 137. So for today, 136 is going to set the tone, as long as you stay between 135.50 and 136.50. Euro dollar is currently coming into some area of support, around the 135.92 is a 20-day moving average, so kind of reversion to mean, and 135.79 is 50% of 134.75 to 135.83, or 136.83, I'm sorry. And if you take, just to put that into perspective, if you want to go 61.8%, you'd have 135.54, and if you look at this 4-hour chart, 135.50 was the last significant dip before the move to 135.83, where you can see this nice little top here. So 135.50 is the only really key level on the downside, although you could use 135.80, which is around that 50% level, to 136 to figure. Looking at the 1-hour chart, breakdown level today was at around 136.25, which was the overnight low, and the 136.15 level, which was Monday's early low, opening low. So 136.15 to 25 is current resistance. The downside, 135.50 to 80 is potential support, and 136 is neutrality. And if you look at the euro, it's weak against just about all currencies. The yen is confounded again after hitting a wall at 102.65. Since we have right now, we have a new whipping boy, which is the euro, which is under some pressure. But as I said, I gave the parameters 135.50 to 80 on the downside right now. Only below 135.50 would really put that 134.75 to 135 level in play again. And on the upside, initial resistance at 136.15 to 25, and only above 136.50 would restore a really solid bid. But the tone will be set by 136.